If you have an old book design template that was done in InDesign and you want to make a new version of the book cover, or maybe you want to create a completely different book cover based on the same InDesign template, but you don't know how to use InDesign, and maybe you don't even have it because it's an expensive tool and takes a lot of time to learn how to do it, you can actually create a copy of it through Canva. This is a Canva book design template based on this one. I didn't have any special skills to do it. Unfortunately, you cannot export from like InDesign into Canva, or you can't just load an InDesign template into Canva and it'll repopulate. I actually had to build everything manually, and you can see I have lots of guides here to place certain elements. And what I did, I'll show you. This is the Amazon KDP template, so that shows me the basic things like where the spine is located, and I created guides for that. And then also I have another version of one of my books, an earlier book in the series, and I basically placed that as a copied image. I exported it from PDF, placed it here, and then I'm using some more guides here to make sure certain elements like the circle are lined up properly. But basically, using Canva, I was able to copy everything. One other thing that's worth pointing out, other than this piece of stock photography, stock image, vector image, this logo, which I commissioned years ago from another graphic designer, and then this dotted background, everything else is a stock Canva. You can see that the fonts I'm using here, just Arial, Nova, or just standard Arial. There's nothing super special here. The effects here, that's just like a shadow effect that's available in Canva. And I'm just really happy with the way that this turned out, because this is going to save me a ton of money going forward when I create new books in the series. But anyways, have you used Canva before for book design? If you have, leave some comments to say what your experience was like or where you think it's lacking.